Hello world. I'm Ryan Ruff, and this is my first live streaming session. So, first thing I've got to do here in Python is import my libraries. So, NumPy is going to be my basic math library. I'm going to also need a sound device so that I can play some audio for you. And since we're going to be playing with a lot of math functions, it might be helpful to have some plotting library. So these are the three libraries that I'm going to be using here. There we go. If you try to import those and you are missing one of them, you might have to install it on your own. Generally, that's using pip or conda or whatever package manager you're using in Python. Also, I'm a Taoist here, so I'm going to import my favorite constant. And the basic foundation of audio in any sort of situation is a sine wave. So let's see if we can get a sample of a basic sound wave. Okay. So that's a basic sine wave. And that's basically the simplest tone that we can get in audio. So the next step is, let's see if we can listen to one. And that's a middle A. If you take your time and divide it by 2, 2 is sort of a magic number here in music because multiplying the frequency by 2 will raise it an octave. So if I take this sound and divide it by 2, it should lower it by an octave. So let's see if we can get that to play. Likewise, I can multiply it by 2 to raise it an octave. Other simple ratios give us other pitches as well. So playing around with the frequency changes basically how high or low the pitch is. Another thing we can do with this is we can adjust the volume of it. So if I want to take this sound and make it softer, I can cut it or divide it, the whole output by 2, or softer yet. And between the pitch and the amplitude, we can sort of create all sorts of fun stuff. So maybe I want to take my sound and make it start at full volume and then decrease in volume over the course of the second that it plays for. So I've got a sound that fades out. Likewise, I could just multiply by the time and make it fade in. And that's sort of your attack and release in music. And we can sort of get creative with that so that we maybe have both an attack and release. So maybe you want a sound that comes in gradually and goes out gradually. We can even create sort of pulsing sounds by combining multiple sine waves. All right, getting there. Let's see how this sounds. And that's my first song. All right, I think I'm going to stop there for tonight and pick up some other time. Thank you for watching.